Feels like it could be another pike minnow. Strong. Yep, it's a massive pike minnow. Oh my goodness, this is probably the biggest one I've ever caught. Woo! It's taking me for a ride. Let's try to get him on this side of the kayak. Oh my goodness, it's definitely, I think, one of the biggest ones. Oh, I did it! Woo! Yes, sir! Woo! That's probably the biggest one I ever caught. Look at that thing, baby! Look at that thing! Woo! Oh man! Biggest pike minnow I've ever caught. I gotta keep my hand on it because it keeps jumping. Look at that. 29.5 inches, 29.25, I guess. Man, this was an awesome fight. These guys are so fun to catch.